So welcome team. Hi, my name is Chitrakan Gade and I create one canvas application that's name is the ticket ID generator. So what is the theme of this application? Actually, ticket ID generator apps provide the user friendly experience in which the sample user can register the uh, issue of employee, like whatever issue facing by the employer, and he also mentioned the employer detail like mobile number and mail id. So after the complete registration, employee will get a separate ticket id number on his or her mail id as well as mobile number. So this is the sample user part. After complete the sample user part, Mr. Admin come to the picture. Mr. Admin only change the issue, change the status of issue. If the issue resolved, change the status to approve, otherwise pending. So this is the part of admin. So I'm just going to tell step by step how my application will work and what is the step required to process this application. I'm just taking the one example. For example, you are working in any organization and you have a problem with salary. So what will do? You didn't get the salary last 2 months. So you just go your office department and meet the one person who has right to raise the issue, and you just share the own problem like I didn't get the salary. So what that employee like the person who meet, he just forward your issue to finance department. The same thing happening in my application. Sample user is the person who has right to forward employee issue to head of the department. So sample user can raise the issue on the behalf of employee just share the problem with sample user, and sample user raise the issue and forward to your issue to head of the department. So the working of this sample user like Sohail, Suraj and Chitrakan is same. So I am just going to raise one issue, and the customer care I'll tell later what is the functionality of this customer care role. So I'm just going to tell I'm just going to raise one issue. Like for example, I raise the issue Sohail. So you can see here this is the Sohail database. So in this database, Sohail already create a issue like salary, manpower, medical and laptop issue. So whatever issue raised by the Sohail, he will get the status like approve and pending. So left part in this raised by versus status, it's showing the how many status he get the approval and how many status is still pending. There is 4 approval and 1 pending. Okay, and this is the employee and appointment number. For example, Gaurav Vaidya, when the Gaurav Vaidya raised the issue for this category electrical, he will get the appointment number is 3. So this is showing the appointment number only. So I am just going to raise one issue. He just going to complain like meeting not scheduled in time, on time. Okay, and he just using and the name of the employee like Ram Mohan Rai. Okay, so mention the mail ID of employee Chitrakant dot and the mobile number of employee, because he will get the ticket ID number on his mail ID as well as mobile number. And he get the ticket number is the 3037. He will get the ticket number on his mail ID. I'll also mention the validation. If you did any wrong mail ID, automatic your color will change, so you have to write correct mail ID. So this is the registration part of sample user. So I'm just going to click, and this data will be update on my data source, and I'll show it how I'll get the ticket number on my mail ID. So I'm just going to submit. So this is the complaint number is 3037, and you can see on my mail ID I'll get the ticket ID number is the 3037. So I'm using the Power Automate part for this getting the mail ID on my personal mail. So this is the thing. So this is the happening in my application. After the complete this application, the data will update. So I'm just going to log out from the Sohail, because the Sohail is only raised the issue. I'm just going to log out. Yes. So after complete the logout, sample user come to the picture. So what the sample user do? Sample user already raised the complaint, and admin come to the picture. So this is the data of admin get the all the cases who's raised by the sample user. I'm just checking the Sohail data. (3037). So what is happening? I'm just going to approve this. So when I approve this, my data will change. Okay, this thing. Total number of approval is the 12 and pending is 4. So Suraj is Sohail. Whatever issue raised by the Sohail, he will get the approve. This is the employee. This is the part of admin, and admin also add the new employee. When the admin click on new employee, so when the admin complete and fill all the detail of employee, so new employee can be added from the here. This is also can do only admin. So this is the admin part. You can check all the detail of employee from here also, whatever like employee ID, name, designation, gender, you can check from here also. So this is the employee part. So I'm just going to log out. Okay, so if Mr. Admin part has completed. Mr. Admin had changed the status of Sohail issue. He raised the issue on the behalf of employee. So I am just going to check whatever issue raised by the Sohail is approval or not. So just I'm just going to click on sample user, and Sohail want to check whatever issue he raised for the employer name is the Ram Mohan is approved or not. So you can check from here. I raised the complaint ticket is the 3037 and the admin will approve. Admin has approved this case. So you can check by here. So he'll get the 5 approval and 1 is pending. And you can also filter from how many approved is and how many pending is this. So these are the approval, and I already mentioned edit part. If you want to edit something, like you want to edit the subject, like whatever subject you mention here, you want to mention more, so you just going to edit part and just change the edit whatever you written on subject. So this is the application will work. And this is the new case when the raise the complaint. And this issue raised by any of the sample user, like we have a 3 sample user, and any of the sample user follow the same procedure when the raise the issue. So whatever data whatever he raised, all the data will show on that particular sample user profile. And this is the appointment number and this is the status. So these are the process to operate my application. I am just going to log out. So after this part, I am just going to tell what is the customer care will do and how does it work. For example, our employee want to know the status of his whatever issue raised. So he just going to click and communicate with the customer care. So whatever the status of my issue, so he just going to talk with the customer care. So he just mentioned hi. So after customer care is a welcome to help. I am virtual agent and I can help to track your status query. I feel very happy. So may I know your good name? So employee mention his name, like employee mentioned the Ram Mohan Roy. Okay, so when he mentioned the Ram Mohan Rai, so whatever data is Ram Mohan Rai, it's showing this desk. See, the employee name is Ram Mohan Rai, employee ID is G and designation 0. So whatever this data is shown on my chatbot is Ram Mohan Roy or not. So I am just asking the Ram Mohan, whatever data is shown on this in this desktop, in this display, so is this your or not? He say yeah, it's mine. So I am just going to yes. So do you want to know status? Yeah, absolutely, I want to know status. Yes, please. So yeah, last time he raised the issue of complaint that the ticket number is 3037. It's approved. If you want to this report on your mail ID, yeah, I want to this report on mail ID as per my confirmation, as per my storage. So as per my in future, if anytime I want to see like whatever issue I raise it is approved or not, so you can check. So just you mention your mail ID. Yes, I want. So mention your mail ID. So yeah, mail is transferred to chitrakant.gade@omnipresent.com. and thank you for using this service. Have a nice day. Do you want to any query? No, I just want to check my status, and I got got the information. So thank you very much. You give them a great information too, and thanks a lot. Just I'm going to no. So after that, thank you for using this service. Have a nice day. So I'm just going to check, is it I get the confirmation or mail from the customer care or not. Yeah, I get it. I got, man. I got. Yeah, this is the I got this is the my ticket ID number. It's the complaint issue, and I got the approval from the admin part. So my case is solved. So this is the application. We are using the chatbot also, so employee can check and the status of whatever issue, can raise it, and also mention any kind of query. So he just follow the procedure, and whatever the procedure in giving by the customer care, just follow it, and he will get the all the updated information from the application. So this chatbot, I am using this thing. So this is my application. This is the ticket ID generator. It's all totally officially work. We are going gone through this process, like all over whatever the problem we are facing, and whatever the problem happening in our organization. This is the totally based on my application, totally based on this process. So I'm just going to exit. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you for watching this. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day.